Hi everyone, I am Faisal Mangalgiri. Today is 5th December 2021. The topic on which I am giving information is methods in Java. Basically, methods are the way to perform some specific task. Similarly, in Java, methods are the collection of a method in Java is a collection of statements which are grouped to perform some specific task. Let us discuss about what is method in Java. Method is a block or a collection of statements which are grouped to perform some specific task. Method provides reusability of code. That means when we write a method, it can be used many times. It can be used many times to perform a specific task. Hence, we don't require to write each time the code which is required to perform a specific task again and again. Method executed only when we call the method. Method declaration provides its accessibility, its return type, its name, and the parameter which it consists. Method declaration have two parts. First one is method header and second is method body. Method header has four parts. First one is access specifier, second one is return type, third one is method name, and last one is parameters. Let us first discuss about access specifiers. Their access specifiers specifies visibility or scope of methods. Java provides four types of access specifiers that are public, private, protected, and default. Let us see about the second part of method declaration, that is return type. Return type is a data type which is written by method. It can be primitive or object or collection or void. When method do not return any return type, then we write void as a return type. Third part is method name. Method name is a unique name which is used to define a method. Method name must correspond to its functionality. Method is called by its name. When a class contains two or more methods having same name, then this is called as method overloading. Our last part of method header is parameters. It is a list which contains variables which are separated by commas and which are enclosed by a round bracket or parenthesis. Parameters in method declaration use data type of variable and name of variable. When there are two types, as per parameter scenario, there are two types of methods. First one is parameterized method and second one is non-parameterized method. Parameterized method contains parameters and non-parameterized method does not contain any parameters in parentheses. The second part of method declaration is method body. A method body contains a block of statements or collection of statements which are grouped to perform a specific task.